Click on the link below to get price. The Jasion EB5 Electric Bike is a remarkable fusion of performance, comfort, and innovative technology, making it an outstanding choice for adults seeking an efficient mode of transportation. One of the standout features is its powerful 1000W brushless motor, which delivers impressive acceleration and a top speed of around 28 miles per hour. This motor effectively handles various terrains, from flat city roads to hilly trails, offering a smooth and exhilarating riding experience. The bike boasts a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, which is commendable for users who commute or enjoy longer rides. The 48V lithium battery is not only removable but also easy to charge, allowing for convenient recharging both at home and on the go. The battery life indicator is a thoughtful addition, keeping riders informed about their remaining power and eliminating range anxiety. In terms of design, the Jasion EB5 is built with an aluminum alloy frame, ensuring it's both lightweight and durable. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars provide a comfortable riding posture, accommodating various heights and preferences. The inclusion of a dual suspension system significantly enhances comfort, absorbing shocks and bumps on uneven surfaces. Safety features are vital for any electric bike, and the Jasion EB5 excels here with its front and rear disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The bright LED headlights and reflective tail lights enhance visibility, contributing to a safer riding experience, especially at night. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, and battery life. This feature adds a technological touch and helps riders monitor their performance. Overall, the Jasion EB5 electric bike is an exceptional investment for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or simply enjoy the great outdoors. With its potent motor, substantial range, comfortable design, and safety features, it stands out as one of the best options in the electric bike market.